So for homework question 8.23, right, they give us this Lewis structure, then ask for us to sign formal charges on everything. And one quick change, there's a carbon there, right? So formal charge is our group number minus assigned electrons. So, right, hydrogen, we can do hydrogen first. Hydrogen, it's group 1, and all of these hydrogens have 1 electron, right? Because an assigned electron one electron for each bond, and all non-bonding electrons. So hydrogen group 1, it's got 1 electron assigned to it because it's got 1 bond. So 1 minus 1, both hydrogens are 0. All right, next we'll do nitrogen. All right, nitrogen is group 5. When we go and look at this nitrogen, I've got 1 electron here, 2 electrons, 3 electrons, 4, 5 electrons total. Right, we count all electrons in the lone pair, so there's 2 electrons there, and then we count 1 electron for each bond, right? So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 5, also 0. Next, we'll take a look at this carbon, right? Carbon right here. We count 1 electron for each bond. Carbon is group 4, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons assigned to it. Right, 1 electron for each bond, so carbon is also 0. All right, and the last 2 are oxygen. So let's see, we'll do 1 oxygen in blue, and we'll do 1 in yellow. So this oxygen right here, oxygen is always group 6, right? This oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, because you count all lone pair electrons, right? So there's 4 non-bonding electrons there. And then you count 1 electron for each bond. So we have 4, 5, and 6. So 6 minus 6, that's 0. The last oxygen, right? It's still group 6. This time I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 electron there in the single bond. So 6 minus 7, right? I'm going to have a -1 charge assigned to that oxygen for question 23.